Hey guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you really quickly how to make your own lip balm. It's really quick and easy, and it's fun to make, and it's all natural. So let's get started. So you're going to need a tablespoon and a half of beeswax, a tablespoon of shea butter, a dropper full of vitamin E, and then some essential oils, and I'm going to use lavender and grapefruit today, and a tablespoon of almond oil, and 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you're going to need some sort of container for it, like this plastic tube. However, I like the jars better, the metal jars, because you can reuse those. So just put a glass bowl over some warm or hot water, and then put in your beeswax, and then put in the shea butter, and then all of the oil. And then just heat this up until the beeswax is completely melted. This will take a little while, maybe 15 minutes or so. And then when it's all melted, just put it into a glass container that has a spout so you can pour it. And then it's going to harden up quickly, so I would put it back in some hot water just to keep it liquid, and then put in the vitamin E and all of the essential oils that you've chosen to use. Make sure that the essential oils that you do use, you can put in your mouth. You're not going to swallow it or anything, but just make sure it's safe to put in the mouth. So then just take it out and pour it into your containers, whether it be the metal or the plastic tubes. I just had these left over from a long time ago, that's why I'm still using them. And they are convenient, but I'd rather not throw all these plastic things away. So here's how it looks when it's done. And it's really fun, really easy. Let's see how quick it was. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time.